This actually is the first time ever. I mean, if we talk about the past 5 to 6 years, every year we have three papers. One is the NEET MDS, and the two are the INI exams. We have never gotten so many questions of path and micro. I mean, frankly speaking, this was unprecedented question. Patient with hemophilia comes for extraction of a grossly carious tooth. His factor VIII level is now. I had two different recalls. Some told me 25%, that is 25 international units per ml. Some told me 0.25. What is the severity of the disease? देखो बच्चे, any clotting factor, normal value is 100%. That is 100 international unit per ml. Ab, anything cannot be 100. So it is a range. Normal is 50 to 100. Have a look at this. Normal is 50 to 150. That is normal. Mild deficiency is 5 to 40%. More than 5, but less than 40%. Moderate is 1 to 5%. Severe is less than 1. So in the question, if it was given as 25% or 25 international units per ml, that becomes mild. If it was 0.25, then it becomes severe.